Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on lesson 23 of our phonics, okay? So we're talking about the letter P. What sound does the letter P say? P. Good job. All right, first things first, we are going to say our alphabet using our alphabet strips. So if you guys have your alphabet strips, then go ahead and get them out so that we can point to the letters and look at them while we say them. One thing I want you to see is we have these special letters that are in red right here. Do you remember what those are called? They are called vowels, okay? Let's say our vowels out loud together. A, E, I, O, and U. That's why if you look right here, they are a different color. They are red to show us that those are important letters. Those are our vowels, okay? So when we say our vowels, I want you guys to clap your hands. So we are going to start with the beginning of the alphabet, and we're going to say all 26 of our letters, but when you get to a vowel, I want you to clap your hands, okay? So here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So if you had this, now let's just go back and we're going to say it again, but this time I'm going to touch them as I say them, and you guys can follow along, okay? And this time, if you want to at home, you can still clap whenever we say a vowel, but Miss Hamby's going to point to it as we do it, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. Okay, you guys can put your letter strips away if you want to. Now we're going to talk about letter sounds, okay? So we're going to talk about the letter sound L and what sound L makes. L says, do you guys remember what L makes? We've already discussed it once. L makes the letter sound OOL, okay? So I'm going to say some words. And if I say the OOL sound in a word, then I want you to take your finger and raise it in the sky, and I want you to write a lowercase l, okay, for the OOL sound. If I do not say the letter OOL sound in a word, then I want you to just put your hands in your lap, okay? So let's try the first one. The first word that I'm going to give you is the word will. Will. Do you hear the OOL sound in will? Yes. So I want you to take your finger and we're going to skywrite the letter, lowercase letter L. Will. Right. Next word is tree. Tree. Do you hear the L? I do not. Good job. So my hands are going to stay in my lap. Great. Okay. Try another one. Listen carefully for that OOL sound. The next word is pal. Pal. Yes, I heard it. Great job. Book. Book. Nope, so my hands are in my lap. File. File. Yes, so OOL, I said file. That's my lowercase l. Next word is creek. Creek. No, I do not hear a OOL sound. Good job. So your hands are in your lap. And the next word is long. Long. Yes, I hear the OOL. And the last word is list. List. OOL at the very beginning. Good job. All right, let's do we're going to do a review over our letters so far that we've learned, okay? So here is our first one. What letter do we have here? It is the letter L. Yes, and it is a lowercase letter L. Ooh, for lion. Then we have O. O says ah for octopus. G. G says G for goat. H. H says, remember the sound, for hat. T. T says T for tent. P. P says P for pig. Great. All right. Now I'm going to let you get out your worksheet. So it should be worksheet number 23 with the letter P on the front. And Miss Handy made a hole in her paper, so I'm sorry about that. All right. So first things first. Remember, what do we always do at the very top of our paper? First thing is you always write your name first, okay? So Miss Handy is going to write her name. And you guys write your name too. There we go. Let's see. You guys can see that. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about the letter P and how we write it correctly first. So imagine, use your imagination, and think that this is an imaginary writing line right up here, okay? I'm just going to draw it out so you guys can see what it looks like. If this was a writing paper that you all had, I would have my dotted line in the middle and my solid line up here on the top and solid line on the bottom. So when we write our uppercase P or capital P, you're going to start at the very top line, come straight down to the bottom line, then you're going to pick your pencil up, come back up here to the top line, and we're going to make a great big O head at the top and around to that dotted line, okay? For our lowercase p, you're going to start on your dotted line, and you're going to come straight down below that bottom line, and then we're going to make a belly from the dotted line around to the bottom line, just like that. Okay, this is your uppercase P and your lowercase p. Now, if you look at all your letters right here, we have some uppercase letters and we have lowercase letters. I want you to match them. Remember, when we mean match, that means put them together, okay? So we're going to draw a line putting them together. So start right here with your uppercase H and find your lowercase h. And when we see it right here, we're going to draw a line from uppercase H to lowercase h, connecting them. Now let's look for our uppercase L right here. Good job. Where's our lowercase l? Right here. So let's connect them. We're going to draw a line connecting them. Okay? Now look right here. We have our uppercase O. Let's look for our lowercase o. Right here. So let's connect them down here. And then our last letter is our uppercase or capital P to our lowercase p. Great job. Now we're going to turn our paper over and we're going to look at some words. So, you guys should know the sounds to all of these letters right here, okay? So if you know them already, then we should be able to sound them out to form our words, okay? So let's look at number one, right up here, this word right here, number one. We have a P, an O, and a P. So if we sound these letter sounds out, we're going to make a word. P, aw, p, p, aw, pop. Okay? So then you're going to look right here on this word, and this word, these three words that are next to it. And I want you to find the word pop in these three words. Does this begin with the P sound? No, that begins with the O sound, so it can't be this one. Does this one begin with the P sound? Yes, so P, A, P. That's it, and you're going to circle it, okay? All right, now let's look at your next word right here. T, A, P, top. Look right here. We'll start with this one first. Does this one begin with the T? Yes, it does. Then does it have A and P? Yes, it does. So there we go. That one is our word that matches this one. Top. Top. Look at number 3. Number 3 begins with the G sound. G-ot, got. Does this one right here begin with the G sound? No. What letter is that? That's H. Remember, and H says H. So this is not G-ot. That's hot. So it can't be this one. What about this one? Does this one begin with the G sound? No, it begins with the O-A-G, log. So it cannot be this one. Remember, we're looking for the word that says G-ot, got. G-ot. Very good. Got. Okay? And look at our very last one, number 4 right here. Our word is t-ot, taught. Does this begin with the T sound? No, that's an L. So L's say ooh. So it cannot be this one. Does this begin with the T sound? Yes. T-ot, taught. Taught and taught. Those match. So we'll circle them. So you should have all 4 of these words circled that matches these 4 words, okay? And that is it for this worksheet. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.